You might be wondering, what is TeamViewer and what is all the hype around it? TeamViewer allows you to connect to PCs or servers around the world within seconds. You can remotely control the computer as if it was right in front of you for free. What do you need to start with TeamViewer? You need to download TeamViewer, which you can get at teamviewer.com. Second, you need another partner's computer with TeamViewer. Third, an internet connection. Fourth, the computer's ID and password, and not their Windows password. Show me what it does and what it looks like. That's what I'm here for. So right now I am controlling, also painting with GIMP, my other computer. And my other computer is Windows 7. Actually, now that I think of it, I switched from Vista to Windows XP to Windows 7, from back to XP to back to Windows 7. Yeah, I think I need a life. Okay, thanks. What is the security like for TeamViewer? TeamViewer allows you to bypass firewalls, and you do not need any administrational privileges. Your password that people will connect to will never be the same twice. Somebody will need your ID also, and your data is encrypted. What else does it do? Because TeamViewer does more than remote control, it can basically feed you whatever privileges. That sounds weird. Whatever you need. It allows you to have video chat, file transfers, virtual private networks, voice over internet phone calls, and chat, and also an instant support with a no installation download. What is TeamViewer available for? Screenshot from their website. TeamViewer is available from basically Windows 98 and up, Mac OS X 10.4 and later, all the major Linux distros, and it's available for iPhone, iPad, iPod Touch, Android 1.6 and later, including the Android 3.0 Gingerbread models for your tablet. And that's about all. Hope I didn't bore you.